Well, today I'm here at Everclean on Algonquin Road, and I believe this town is Algonquin or Lake in the Hills. And I'm going to show you another one of the POV car wash videos. In my link, I'll try to leave, in the description, I'll try to leave a link so you can get a free car wash. I got a free car wash if you sign up. They give you initially for your sign up and then one for your birthday. So obviously it's worthy of using the link and sign up, and every year you get a free wash. If you like my video, do consider subscribing. Thank you.